Hey friends, welcome to Crypto Hook channel. As you know from the beginning, I have shared my strong opinions about memes, meme communities, and meme coins. I have criticized the lack of substance behind many of them. Before we dive into the latest and greatest in the airdrop world, I've got something extra special for you, a giveaway. That's right, it's time to give back to this amazing community, and I'm making it as easy as possible for you to get in on this freebie. Free giveaway alert. Want to win $50 without lifting a finger? Well, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. 1. Watch the entire video, don't skip. 2. Like this video and of course, share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. 3. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you don't want to miss future giveaways and airdrop updates. 4. Leave a comment down below telling me, why do you want $50? Once we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll pick a random winner from the comments to receive at least $50 straight to their wallet. Money with wings. It's that easy. So go ahead and smash that like button now. Now, let's talk about something really exciting, the Memeland Airdrop. Today I am bringing you an update that has caught my attention in a positive way. For the first time, I feel there is some seriousness and transparency being shown by this project. So, let's dive in and discuss this update in detail. This update is specifically about Memeland and their upcoming airdrop and listing plans. They've made some announcements that I believe are worth your time. Not only are these updates exciting, but they also demonstrate a level of transparency and fairness that we don't often see in such projects. Let's explore what they've shared and how it could benefit you. The first point they emphasized is complete transparency regarding their airdrop distribution. They have made it very clear how the process will work, who will be prioritized, and what criteria must be met. This eliminates confusion and ensures no one is left wondering why they didn't receive their rewards. For instance, they've said, 1. Pre-sale participants will be prioritized. Those who supported the project early on by buying meme tokens in the pre-sale will be rewarded first. This is a fair approach because they were the ones who showed faith in the project from the start. 2. For others, there's an opportunity to earn tokens through completing airdrop tasks. If you've connected your wallet, completed certain on-chain transactions, or performed the required tasks, you'll also qualify for the airdrop. Let's break down the steps they've outlined for eligibility. 1. Pre-sale priority. If you purchased at least 1,000 meme tokens during the pre-sale, you're at the top of the priority list. The project team will distribute tokens to pre-sale participants first, ensuring that their early supporters are rewarded. 2. Wallet connection. To qualify for the airdrop, you must have connected your wallet. If you haven't done this yet, I suggest you do it as soon as possible. 3. On-chain transaction. You are required to complete an on-chain transaction to earn 500 meme tokens. This ensures that only active participants are rewarded. For complete tasks, there are at least 10 tasks that need to be completed. These tasks include joining Telegram groups, following their social media accounts, and inviting friends to the community. If you've completed these, you're one step closer to receiving your airdrop. 5. Minimum 3,000 meme tokens. To qualify for a higher reward bracket, you need to earn at least 3,000 meme tokens. This can be done through participating in the community, completing tasks, and staying active. Here's where it gets interesting. The project has also addressed what will happen to participants who miss some of the criteria. 1. Incomplete tasks. If you've missed 1 or 2 tasks, you may still receive a smaller portion of the airdrop. However, the team has made it clear that those who have fully complied with the rules will be prioritized. 2. Accounts with negative behavior. Accounts that display suspicious or negative behavior will be permanently blocked. This includes spreading misinformation or creating unnecessary negativity within the community. The team is serious about maintaining a positive and supportive environment for their participants. 3. Additional safety measures. They've introduced a support service to ensure the safety of your wallets and transactions. This is a huge plus because it demonstrates that the team is taking responsibility for protecting your funds. Now, let's take a look at the overall state of their community and supply. Based on the update, their total supply and pre-sale participation numbers look strong. The team seems well prepared to deliver on their promises. However, the distribution will happen in phases. 1. Phase 1. Distribution to pre-sale participants. 2. Phase 2. Distribution to those who completed the airdrop tasks. 3. Phase 3. Distribution to remaining participants who met partial criteria or missed one task. This phased approach ensures fairness while keeping things organized. One thing that stood out to me in this update is the clear warning to participants. The team has emphasized that any negative or suspicious behavior will result in disqualification from the airdrop. They are committed to blocking accounts that violate the rules or harm the community's reputation. This is both a warning and a reminder to everyone. Follow the rules, stay positive, and avoid any behavior that might raise suspicion. Friends, this update highlights both the positives and challenges of being part of such projects. On the positive side, the team has demonstrated transparency and fairness in their approach. This builds trust and sets clear expectations for participants. However, there's also a downside. Prioritizing pre-sale participants might seem unfair to those who joined later, but it's also a reality of such projects. Early supporters often get better rewards, and this is something we have to accept. As we move into December, the airdrop space is heating up. Several big airdrops are expected this month, and Memeland's update has certainly set the tone. While we wait for their distribution to be finalized, it's important to stay active and follow all the necessary steps. I'll continue to keep you updated on this and other airdrops, so make sure to subscribe to the Crypto Hook channel and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay safe, follow the rules, and keep working towards those rewards.